the invisible threat, decoding modern phone scams. You know, a ringing phone used to mean connection, a friend, a family member. Now it just brings dread. Your phone lights up, an unexpected call. Your heart beats just a little bit faster. In this explainer, we're going to decode the psychological predator living right inside your pocket. So who is really calling? You answer. You hear a voice. But the terrifying reality is this: that voice on the other end of the line, it might just be a digital mask. Press 1 to resolve the fraudulent charge. We've all heard it, right? The robotic warnings, the fake Amazon delivery alerts, the urgent tax audits. These aren't just annoying spam calls. They're precise, calculated attempts to instantly hijack your nervous system. These are psychological predators at work. The face of the threat looks like this: identity and KYC scams. They impersonate government officials, threatening you with arrest. They demand instant identity verification, asking for your most private details. Or they slowly groom you with what's known as pig butchering investment schemes. They create this false sense of secrecy and urgency, all to slowly, quietly drain your life savings. The psychological trap they set is completely invisible. These vishing attacks, or voice phishing, they don't rely on complex computer hackers typing code, not at all. They rely purely on manufacturing fear, pure panic. They want you to act before your logical brain can even turn on. Which brings us to AI voice clones, where trust is the ultimate weapon. This is the darkest reality we face today. Scammers, they aren't just robotic voices anymore. They take your trust and they weaponize it. They literally mimic a panicked grandchild or a boss begging for immediate financial assistance, and it sounds exactly like them. The chosen targets? Usually older adults, grandparents. They're frequently targeted with these exact scams because predators know exactly how to prey on human empathy. They know, without a doubt, we will do absolutely anything to protect the people we love. It exploits a basic human reflex, answering the ringing phone. But look at the scammer's goal here. Their goal isn't to actually talk to you. It's to confirm your number is alive. It's what we call the stray cat rule. Answering even once just confirms you're there. It invites relentless, repeated attacks. But listen to me, you are not defenseless here. We have a behavioral blueprint, a dead simple, foolproof defense. This is exactly how you need to behave when the trap is sprung. Memorize these 4 steps. 1. Hang up immediately. 2. Do not press any buttons. 3. Don't speak. Never ever share your one-time passwords or PIN codes. And 4. Verify independently. Remember, you owe the predator absolutely no courtesy. Just cut the line. Let the unknown go to voicemail. This is a profound shift in how we live, but it's absolutely crucial. If an unknown caller truly needs you, they will leave a message. If they don't, they were hunting. Let silence be your shield. Beyond our behavior, we have armor, the tech defense. There is technological armor built directly into your modern smartphone, and it's designed specifically to filter out all this psychological noise. If you're on an iPhone, here is the brutally simple 3-step process to set up call screening. Go to your settings, tap apps, then tap phone. Find screen unknown callers and set it to silence. Then, make sure to turn on your spam filter. Just like that, the noise stops. For Android, the Samsung Galaxy defense is just as clear and actionable. Open up your phone app settings, turn on caller ID and spam protection, then block unknown numbers. Activate Smart Call. Any suspected spam is prevented from ever even reaching your screen. Next, you want to build your proactive armor. Set unique ringtones for your loved ones. Never trust caller ID. It's just so easily faked these days. Set up account PIN codes, and honestly, most importantly, create a secret family safe word. Just a single word that instantly defeats any AI clone trying to deceive you. We're taking back control. Remember, your phone is a tool. It should work for you. It must never work for predators. Which brings us to our final thought, a question you really have to ask yourself every single time that device vibrates. In a digital world where voices can be cloned and screens can lie, who do you really trust?